Hi, I'm Marayka, Data3's HP device specialist, and today I'll be showing you some of the features of your ProBook 440 that you might not know of. Now, this laptop has a 14-inch anti-glare display with touch capabilities, so you're able to scroll through documents. Fun fact, the 440 can fold flat, which is actually great for sharing content and even to draw or create. It's all up to you. Fitted with a built-in high-definition webcam and 2 integrated mics, the classroom is no longer bound by 4 walls. It can be anywhere, from a different classroom or even at home. If you're holding a virtual class at home, there's also a privacy shutter which you can slide when you finish up on those video calls. Speaking about the Anywhere Classroom, this device also has 4G capabilities, so you still have internet even on those camping trips. The HP ProBook 440 comes with full-size ports, including 2 USB-A ports for adapters or USB inputs, a full-size HDMI to extend your screen to a second display, an RJ45 port to connect to internet even if Wi-Fi isn't available, a USB-C port for power display, as well as USB input functionalities, and a power connector to charge your laptop. Lastly, an audio jack for your headphones or mic for all your video meetings. On the other side, you have another USB-A port and an SD media card reader. Now, this device is mil-spec tested and it passes actually 19 tests, which includes drop as well as having a spill-resistant keyboard. Focusing on the keyboard, to turn the ProBook 440 G7 laptop on, it is the button on the top left-hand side above the escape key. However, if you've got the ProBook 440 G8 model, the key is actually on the top right-hand side. The top row of the keyboard, you also have function keys for quick access. The first one I would like to highlight is actually the project key. So if you have your laptop connected to a second display, you can adjust the settings and change to extend or duplicate with this button. Now, this key here with the 3 squares and the 3 lines allows you to turn the backlight of the keyboard on and off. The function key with the picture of the antenna is a toggle for airplane mode. And the last key I want to show you today is the one with the little moon icon. This key is actually to put your laptop to sleep. Now, I hope this gives you a better understanding of how to use your HP ProBook 440. For any other issues or further technical support, please contact your designated support representative.